myself.
Two things I hate about the trade, guys. One, on call. Two is damn paperwork. I hate doing paperwork. Jesus. I just spent about 35 minutes doing paperwork because, to be honest with you guys, I was kind of lazy doing it yesterday, so I just waited for today to do all the paperwork from yesterday, so it kind of bit me in the butt. But now today's gonna be a weird day. Right now I'm on my way to install a board at a reach-in freezer. We didn't order the part, they did, because they're cheap, so they try to order their own parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to bring you guys along too. If not, then it's because the manager's gonna be right beside me. And then after that, I have no idea what I'm doing. There's a bunch of work we gotta get done. But I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I mean, it's up in the air. So I don't know if you guys were able to tell, but that temp control, it was factory set to 35 degrees. I tried resetting it, it wouldn't drop down or up at all. So the owner here ordered a temp control for a cooler, not a freezer. So usually factory, the temp controls that come from factory, they're already set to -5 or so degrees. So they ordered the wrong one because they didn't want us to order it. So we couldn't do anything. I told them order the new one, and we'll go from there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and call my manager, let him know, and then see what he wants me to do after this. Owner here at this restaurant ordered the wrong temp control. They ordered a temp control for the for a cooler. No, it looks exactly the same, but they ordered a one for a cooler, not freezer. This one's factory set to 35, and it won't drop down under that.
It'll probably be a couple hours before he gets there. Okay. All right. Yeah, no problem.
I thought you thought it was the dude from oh shit.
Nice,
Tight. Until Diego.
You're the first one to get the California one. So I went to Les Schwab right now to get some air on it. Here, get close to it and see if you can hear it. You hear it? It's over here, look. Right there.
Did they do that?
No, that's why it's been low.
Oh yeah, there's something in there. They could patch it for you. Okay.
Damn. Soapy bubbles to the rescue.
Okay, yeah, because Ernesto's gonna go, but his van's got a flat tire, so he's gonna take 75. So we're just trying to see if he was gonna need anything.
Also, guys, got some new stickers that I'm gonna be selling. I got this California one, HVAC-R Tex, California. Of course, got the HVAC-R Vlogger, the smaller one. And then I got the HVAC-R Vlogger with the Golden Gate Bridge. Pretty dope. Look at that. And then of course I got the R22. So I'm gonna be selling them on my Instagram. So whoever follows me on Instagram, hit me up. I only made a limited amount again because I don't want to order too many. So like I said, guys, hit me up on my Instagram. Like I said, I'm gonna be selling them. First come, first serve. That's it. Unless you're part of the Patreon, then you already have yours reserved. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a spare van, then use that spare van to go to the Bay Area to basically do a startup on an ice machine. So, and I'm waiting for my boss to come here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the tools that I need, and let's get out of here.
I'm gonna go grab the paperwork.
Jesus Christ, this shit stinks. So any of you guys that are new to the trade, please don't get your vans this dirty. Jesus Christ, and it smells like cigarettes too. This, guys, this makes you look really bad when you leave a company, when you're working at the company. It just makes you look bad. Because if a van looks like this, imagine the work they do, you know what I mean? I mean, it doesn't have to be like mine, super clean, but at least clean up all the coil cleaner. Jesus Christ. I don't need anything else. Gauges. Let me take them just in case. Fuck, I'm even. This thing bugs me so much. Look at this. God. What the heck is this even doing up here? Paperwork. Where do you leave the paperwork at? I think you left it in the back. Oh, no, it's right here. Alright, guys, so basically I'm doing a startup on an ice machine. I guess I'm gonna have to do maybe the PVC also. So let's get this. I got the gas card. I'm gonna have to put some gas. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the trade, you're coming out fresh out of school, please don't leave your vans like this. Even if you're working crazy amount of hours, just spend at least an hour on the weekend cleaning it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be as clean as mine, but at least clean the floor, clean. Man, I don't know how people work like this, especially because there's smoke. So the smell of the smoke, it just annoys me. Jesus. So I left the shop around 12 o'clock. And I got here to San Ramon in 1 hour. And all because there's no traffic at all. It was good. Usually it takes me about an hour and a half just to get here. Okay, what am I gonna need? I'm gonna need the paperwork. So I'll take this. I need the mask. And then I'm gonna get some gloves and then we should be good. Okay, so I'll probably PVC just in case. So basically what I'm doing here, guys, is a startup, and I'm basically going through a whole checklist, making sure everything's 100%. I guess I had a water leakage, but I'm thinking they probably didn't run the drain line and they turned it on. That's what I'm thinking that must have happened. So I'm just gonna get the bag, flashlight. Now leave the flashlight here, and then just take the bag, paperwork. I got the pen. Yep.
For the founder combo, no pickle, large with the dark pepper, no ice, correct?
Alright, yeah, so that thing was off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs, make sure that thing's running properly. Like I said, they were saying that they were seeing a bunch of water coming up on the back. I'm not seeing anything at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it run through its cycle, and whenever it's dumping out the water, make sure it's actually dumping it out. Like I said, turn that on. So now let's go check that that ice machine.
29. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I think we're good. I don't feel no leakage anymore.
Okay, just the first order for only 4 cheeseburgers.
So basically, usually with this type of ice machine, the cycles are around 10 to 13 minutes max. It dropped down a sheet of ice in 9 minutes, so we should be good. I'm not gonna check pressures because, like I said, it dropped 2 cycles of sheets at the same time, so I'm really not gonna check the pressures. Really don't need to. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the rest of the paperwork, make sure everything looks good, make sure there's no things that might be need to be tweaked on. But yeah, guys, I mean, that to put those little things on the back, the little threads, that probably took me about an hour and 20 minutes or 30 minutes. I was sweating my butt off, and it sucks because you have to be like this, leaning forward, trying to get that thing. So it was a pain in the ass. But now, like I said, it dropped 2 sheets of ice in 9 minutes each, so we're looking good. I'm gonna go and do the rest of the paperwork and call it good. So let's go ahead and go downstairs and start doing paperwork. Oh man, it's crazy. It's crazy how such a small thing can be a pain in the ass, guys. If you guys ever worked on drive-through ice machines, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Man, that thing beat me down. Like I said, guys, it's such a small thing, but it's a pain in the ass. Damn. Let's go ahead and take some lunch. We'll probably go through a drive-thru. Oh, there's Subway over there. Probably go to Subway. Subway it is. I get so many people talking shit to me because I use Subway all the time, and I do realize their ice machines are freaking trash. Jesus. Oh shit. Dun, 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 dun. Baby got that. Of course, gotta get the chips. I don't know why, but I love Subway. Even though it's probably one of the dirtiest restaurants. I don't know why, but I love it. Today is the meatball marinara. I usually get the spicy Italian, but today felt like getting this one. Of course, got the Sprite. Let's get the leg up here. Ah, yeah. God damn. Alright guys, so I'm about to pull up to my house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget about the merch coming. Also the stickers. Hit me up on my Instagram. And just a reminder, the patrons that follow me, they already have theirs reserved. So, but yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Peace.